This 1995 Cadillac DeVille is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. DeVille Concours, heated front seats, power sliding sunroof, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, wood trim interior, burgundy exterior, light tan leather interior, floor mats, owner's manual, owner. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for a detailed walk-around. We hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1995 Cadillac DeVille Concours is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.